getting in more details as far as the big developments from Vijayawada today is concerned. Chandrababu Naidu 4.0 Sarkara in Andhra Pradesh begins. Naidu returns as Chief Minister for the fourth time. Naidu got emotional after taking the oath. Prime Minister Modi embraced him, drawing loud cheers from the crowd. Initially, Jan Sena Chief Pawan Kalyan took the oath as Deputy CM. He touched the feet of his brother, actor Chiranjeevi, in a heartfelt gesture. Naidu's son Nara Lokesh also made his debut as the cabinet mantri. With Prime Minister Narendra Modi leading the flock, the ceremony saw the presence of BJP leaders, including Home Minister Amit Shah, and BJP National President JP Nadda. Also, NDA allies gathered in Vijayawada for the event. Now adding a touch of glamour, superstar Rajinikanth, actor Chiranjeevi, his son Ramcharan, and N. Balakrishna were also at the venue, witnessing the dawn of Naidu's fourth tenure as the Chief Minister.
Nara Chandrababu Naidu ane nenu శాసనం ద్వారా నిర్మితమైన భారత రాజ్యాంగం పట్ల నిజమైన విశ్వాసం విధేయత చూపుతానని
కొణిదెల పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ అనే నేను శాసనం ద్వారా నిర్మితమైన భారత రాజ్యాంగం పట్ల నిజమైన విశ్వాసం విధేయత చూపుతానని భారతదేశ సార్వభౌమాధికారాన్ని
నారా లోకేష్ అనే నేను శాసనము ద్వారా నిర్మితమైన భారత రాజ్యాంగం పట్ల నిజమైన విశ్వాసం విధేయత చూపుతానని భారతదేశ సార్వభౌమ అధికారాన్ని.
We're getting in details from the high-profile event today in Vijayawada, where Chandrababu Naidu has taken oath for the fourth time as the Chief Minister of the state. In attendance, the superstars, essentially all of them, they were there. Chiranjeevi, brother Pawan Kalyan, also now the next Deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh, Ramcharan, the son of Chiranjeevi, Rajinikanth as well in full attendance. Abdul is getting us more details. Nara Lokesh makes his debut as the cabinet mantri. Abdul, this was a star-studded event, wasn't it? But talk to us about the next big challenge really for Chandrababu Naidu as far as the state of Andhra Pradesh is concerned.
Well, after the swear-in ceremony of Nara Chandrababu Naidu, after he had sworn in as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, with Pawan Kalyan as Deputy Chief Minister, Nara Lokesh as the Minister, and 22 other ministers in the cabinet of Nara Chandrababu Naidu. Now, here the big task is the allotment of portfolios, like for the main, party leaders, mainly the 25 cabinet ministers who have sworn in today, 21 from the TDP, 3 from Jana Sena, and 1 from BJP party. So here this whole cabinet has been set up. Now the next task would be the first and foremost that the TDP is aiming for is a capital for Andhra Pradesh. Firstly, Amravati is the main focus, is what we are understanding. Now Andhra Pradesh did not have a capital. So the first thing that will be focused on in this newly formed cabinet will be Amravati as a capital. Then the Polavaram project, then the special status, special package, what exactly would be the strategy of the TDP. Now here TDP is not only formed its government in the state, but also has a major role in the center NDA government as well. So here many issues to be focused on, especially focusing on development is what we are understanding. So here now IT Minister, previously Nara Lokesh had sworn in as an IT Minister. He was charged as an IT Minister. So similarly, this time the TDP party aims, or the Chandrababu Naidu government aims to give him the same portfolio this time with Panchayat Raj is what we are getting to know from our TDP sources. So many other portfolios have to be allotted.
Okay.
And next would be the task of a capital for Andhra Pradesh and several other issues that have to come up. Now here today's oath-taking ceremony was not less than a cinema scene or a cinematic scenes were seen at this particular event, with many Tollywood superstars taking part, from Rajinikanth to Chiranjeevi, and the bonding between PM Modi and Nara Chandrababu Naidu. Since the NDA, Nara Chandrababu Naidu had
Yes.
given the performance in assembly election and also
Right.
parliament, giving 16 seats to the NDA, he had become an apple of the eye to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have seen today
Crucial
the emotional
ally
events,
for the
emotional
Bharatiya
moments
Janata
of,
Party.
Nara
Chandrababu Naidu has today taken oath as the Chief Minister for the fourth time. Like Abdul was telling us, it was a star-studded event today in Vijayawada.